I'm Patricia Morrison, living in Leesburg, Florida. A hurricane did go through here, but God blessed us. We only had quite a bit of wind and not too much rain. We can handle the rain because, of course, Florida is a big old sandbox. We soak it up. We were approached by someone from LeafFilter, very congenial, very understanding, very intelligent, and knowledgeable. We were pleased with the presentation, and we felt, golly, this is for us, because no more lugging a big old ladder out of the garage, placing it correctly, climbing up the ladder, and praying all the time that we don't slip or fall. The scheduling went perfectly. The weather was very congenial to us too. We were very, very happy, and the job was done perfectly. Everyone was wonderful to us. And of course, that's always a plus when you get the attention that you want. Thank you, LeafFilter, for doing this job for us.